Adding money to your Google Play using gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how to add money on your Google Play account using Google Play's gift card. So for example, this is how the Google's gift card will look like, and these numbers should be hidden. You just have to scratch to unlock these numbers, and this is the code you need to add your gift card to your Google Play. So for that, you just have to go to Google Play, and in your Google Play you just have to tap on your profile, and in your profile you have to tap on payment and subscription. And in payment and subscription you will be able to see all these options, and you will also see this option called redeem code. You just have to tap there, and there you go. You just need to type in the claim code that I told you before. Let me show you that again. This is how the code will look like. You just have to copy this code, or if the card is not digital, you just have to type in the code manually after typing the code. Or you can also use this scan gift card option, which will just scan the code, and what it will do is it will automatically scan the card and add the code here. So that after adding the code, you will have the amount of money that gift card have from your gift card to your account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.